Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Goody and welcome to Pulse Amphitheatre for High Flyers. Well, the bird flying up there now is one of the show's high flyers, and in a very short while, if he's ready to come down, he will fly very low, just above some of your heads, and land on my hand. Look out, here he comes! A very low flight. Well done, Baba. Thank you. Well, this afternoon we are going to take you all on a flight and journey to the colorful and wonderful world of birds, and hope that you leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to have all our feathered friends across the world. Well, first we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws loves to congregate on palm trees and feast on palm nuts. We have replicated a palm tree right here on stage. Look out there. That's the replica of those palm leaves. With that, let's welcome the birds. Everyone, look up there. Here comes the first bird. This is Gaia. Gaia is a hyacinth macaw. One of whose friends will be joining in a very short while. Once we're up there, and here comes Ramble. Ramble is a scarlet macaw. These colorful macaws can be found in the jungles of South America, and often after feeding, these birds will fly to rocky areas such as this to lick up on clay or chalk. This is to help them in the digestion of unripe palm nuts or fruits which they have eaten. But it looks like both of them are still enjoying the fruits up there. Not to worry. This will definitely be their next stop. Well, we're going to have birds, more birds on stage. Well, macaws are known to gather fruits for their young during the nesting season. In fact, we are going to have a little competition between these two birds to see who is faster in collecting those fruits, and they need supporters. People from the middle to my right, you're going to support Zonda, the blue and gold macaw. What you have to do is just clap your hands and call out her name, Zonda.
Zonda, 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 Zonda.
Very good. Now, people to my left, you're going to support Barry, the green macaw. Same thing, clap your hands. This time, call out his name, Barry.
Very, very.
Very good. Now, birds to the table. Macaws gather fruits for their young into 3 hollows. Something like what I have up here on this table. Well, 4 fruits for Zonda, 4 fruits for Barry. Supporters ready? Birds are ready and go!
Yeah!
Yes, one more! The winner is Barry!
Yeah!
Sheena, what happened to Zonda? She says it's a warm-up. So what do you want?
Yeah!
Okay, let's ask all these people out here. Do you want one more match?
Yeah!
Your wish is granted. Everyone deserves a second chance. Even the birds right here in the bird park. Once more. Here we go. 4 fruits there for Zonda and 4 fruits for Barry. Zonda supporters, I think you need to cheer louder for the birds. Ready and go!
এবার জনটাকে তো আগে করা হচ্ছে জনটা
Well, the winner this time is Zonda!
Yeah!
It looks like we have a draw this afternoon. Everyone happy?
Yeah!
Very well. These 2 birds and the feeders have done very well. Round of applause for these 2 birds and the feeders.
Yeah!
Sheena and Sabrina. Well, right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do which are similar to what they do in the wild. And this is known as enrichment. In the wild, birds forage for seeds and nuts. Well, this afternoon, we have a trainer out there, Shawal. He is holding on to an enrichment device. It is actually a rope tied into knots. And in these knots, we have hidden feeds for the birds to find. Let's see if they can find them. Please, really got a volunteer right out there. Well, these few birds coming out are going to fly very low just above top of your heads once more. So I need your cooperation. Please remain seated. There you go. Last instructions there. Well, looks like the first volunteer is ready. Everyone, look at the nest box on stage. There they come. Now these are sun conures. Sun conures can be found in South America, but like us, they like to live in large groups. Can you imagine a large flock flying? How colorful, how noisy these birds can be. But right here in the bird park, well, there goes our sun conures. There you go there. Well, we need 2 more volunteers. Get the attention of Shawal in the middle. Since then we got a volunteer. And on my left we have Sheena. Well, every morning the male and female toucan will leave the nest to look for food to feed their young. This is what we are going to have to do. The next 2 birds coming out will also fly very low above your head. So I need your cooperation once more. Please remain seated. It looks like the first volunteer is in position. Everyone look at the cup. Wow, yeah. That's one. Another coming up. Yes, these are Coco toucans. Well, Coco toucans are the largest in the toucan family. Easily recognizable by their huge orange bills. Despite having huge bills, these birds remain agile and maneuverable in flight. And to demonstrate this, one of our trainers, Sheena, will toss up 1 fruit each for these 2 birds to catch. Let's see if these birds can catch. But these birds are going to catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping. Ready? First bird. 1, 2, and up he goes. Yes.
Yeah.
Now for the other bird. Ready? Once more. 1, 2, up he goes. I have not introduced them to you. This is Mr. Horn. Well, this is Mrs. Horn. Husband and wife team. But it's very lucky for us to see these 2 birds up close and personal, but their numbers in the wild are declining due to deforestation and poaching. We can help them by simply supporting your local conservation efforts. These 2 birds are very loyal to one another. If one goes, the other will follow. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Horn, time for you to go back home. You know where home is? That way. Mrs. Horn, you follow? Good. So now we'll talk about toucans. Well, what differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. Well, this afternoon we have one such bird. So get your cameras and your video cameras ready. Thank you. Let's start off with a friendly handshake. Hello, how are you? That's how I introduce myself. He has a name. Can you tell everyone here what's your name? You hear that? He says Pao Pao. Pao Pao means baby, you're precious in Mandarin. Once more, what's your name? What's your name? Pao Pao. Well, Pao Pao has learned a lot of sounds, but before he starts, he likes everyone to do something for him. What is that, Pao Pao? He says, you like everyone to keep quiet because the sound that he makes is a little bit soft. First sound, ready? First sound. What sound is that? Someone knocking at the door. So when someone knocks at the door, he will ask, what do you ask? I think I know who it is. It could be his friendly neighbor, the dog. Is it your friend, the dog? A cute puppy dog next door. Well, he has also learned high-tech sounds. Let's see if we can remember this. Ready? I'm making it. What sound is that? Yes, ringing of a telephone. So when someone calls you on the phone, you pick it up and you say hello. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello.
a nice and sweet hello, a little encouragement there for him, everyone.
Yeah.
He has also learned songs that you and I make. If you are sad, you cry, right? So this is how he cries when he said, how do you cry? Getting louder, so sad. So when he's sad, I would try to cheer him up by tickling him. It's a bit of tickles. So when he's happy, he will do his happy dance. Can you do your happy dance? Round and round and round you go. Okay, stop. You get dizzy. Well, Papa he has also learned a line of the birthday song. By any chance today, 13th of July. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? Let's ask the people on my left side. Anyone celebrating your birthday? Nobody. One so far out there, I've seen. One in the middle section. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? Two, the young man. Okay, so far I've got two. Anyone that I missed in the middle section? On my right. No one. Okay, for the two of you, Papa, let's sing. Two songs and very fast. Let's do this together. Let's concentrate. Ready? Happy birthday to you on your own. One last one. A round of applause for everyone and happy birthday for all of you celebrating here in the Bird Park. And for the rest of you, Papa has something very nice to say. And what is that, Papa?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
We all love you too. Last but not least, before you go song, can you go away and say bye-bye too?
Bye-bye.
There you go.
Bye-bye.
A round of applause for Papa, everyone. Thank you. Well, after seeing Papa perform, you might be tempted to get one as a pet. But keep in mind that these birds are very hard to keep. They require lots of time, attention, and commitment. So do think of all this if you'd like to get one as a pet parrot. Well, the next two birds coming up are two different species of hornbills. We're going to show you how they nest in the wild. Harriet,